Hey, it's Rob and welcome back to Axel's Garage. Today we're out here giving a little love to the Big Dummies K5. We finally got the CUCV M1009 military style grill guard refinished, painted, and now we're going to get it on. So what I already did was take out the two, we only have 4 bolts holding the bumper end, 2 on the bottom and the 2 end ones. I took out the 2 carriage bolts on either end because that's one of the mounting locations for the grill guard. And now I'm just waiting for Mark to come by so that he can come out and give me a hand holding it up, and my wife's gonna come out. She'll come out because it's big, it's heavy, and with only 2 people, I think we'd be banging it up against the bumper, which, you know, we put a lot of time and effort into painting it nice, and the grill guard, and getting everything refinished nice. So we want to try to get it up and mounted with minimal damage. So I'm hoping 3 people will do it, you know, 2 people on either end, and then me underneath throwing bolts through or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. Well, hitting record would help. I thought it was on the whole time and I was gonna like time lapse it. We got it up on here and we put the 2 end ones in loose, but we couldn't get this top one in the middle. It's got to not only go through the bumper and the bumper bracket, but the bumper bracket behind it has those heavy duty brackets that bolt to the frame for those stubs that go through these holes for the CUCV type, you know, tow hooks. And then we added the civilian tow hooks to the outside of them with longer bolts, so everything is in the way of everything, and the front hitch is in the way of everything. So now we're just trying to get all to the back side of everything just to get them started, and then we could make sure we're centered and drive them home. But these top ones are almost impossible to get to. I wouldn't doubt it.
With this extension on it, it's too long. What's the smallest ratcheting thing you got? Deep socket, 3-inch drive. Maybe. What? Well, maybe. It's in every standard Husky kit that exists in the history of the world.
Husky tools.
Alright, Craftsman kit.
Something standard.
Yes, it is.
No,
I'll show you the kit.
Tools.
I'll show you the kit.
Not in any of my tool kits that I ever bought.
You're sorry that you're old? What do you want me to tell you?
I got it.
You got it that way?
I think so.
What do you need?
I can't see it, I can only feel it. And all these bumper brackets are from the civilian Blazer, and they're slightly different than the other ones. I don't know if it's because of the year difference. What?
I wonder if you can get to it right from in here, Rob. I think you can.
Where?
Right here. Pop the hood. Is there a shroud right here? I think right behind the grill you can reach right in with a 6-inch extension. Going right here. See my hand?
Yeah.
Like right underneath with a 6-inch extension, and just tighten it right within this space.
No, the fan shroud's in the way. Not the fan shroud, the
Up top?
upper radiator support.
Up top?
Yeah.
The grill doesn't come off the front. Doesn't this cover come off the front?
Yeah, but you're not gonna get it back in with the grill on, I don't think. Yeah?
Yeah. This is how they do this. Because there's no way you'd ever do this in a factory. It's the stupidest thing in the world. Are these just these star bolts?
Well, you gotta take the outside off first.
Just 1, 2, 3.
And then the inside.
1, 3, right?
Yeah, but I'm here already, so
Huh?
I love it.
You think you get it tight enough?
Yeah. I mean, the wrench is on it. It's just taking a little while to tighten it up. All right, that one's tight.
So I'll tighten that outside one while you do this one.
Okay.
Yeah, if you didn't have the hitch, that would be pretty easy. Oh, Rob, you can get to that just like this. Right here over the top. Tell me there was all this room under here. The whole time you made it sound difficult.
I think we're low on driver's we're low on the driver's side.
Something is different here. Don't fit.
All right, well, I got that one fairly tight, so that's good.
Well, this one's shorter. Let me see if this one.
But
That's normal angular differences due to production.
no, I had this bumper good.
In these older years.
We're gonna have to loosen.
Hey, a little bit up on the thing.
No, that side's good. We're gonna loosen on this side and floor jack. So you gotta loosen this top one on this side.
Yeah, fuck no.
Good. Oh yeah, that did it.
Did it just level the truck out?
No, I'm looking at the gap between the grill and the brush guard. And so after fighting with it for a little while, we got everything through. Like I said, the front hitch and the brackets for the factory tow hooks, and then the brackets for the CUCV tow hooks made all the bolts difficult to get to. What Mark determined was that the grill is out. If the grill is out, you can reach these upper bolts going right down around there. So we were going to take the grill out, but we were almost there, you know, like 2 teeth on the ratchet at a time. We were able to get it, but then we realized, as you saw on the video, we were cocked a little bit. And this end of the bumper was down lower than that end of the bumper. So we loosened up only this side, the 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, put the jack under it, and now I got an even gap everywhere. The bumper to the grill looks even, the bumper to that little filler piece looks even, and then the amount that I could see sitting down looking straight at it between here and like the headlight bezels look good. Now when I take the jack away, hopefully it all still lines up. Or did it drop?
Drop.
It dropped?
Yep. Just leave the jack under it.
No, it didn't drop too bad.
I don't know what it looked like before, but...
Oh, it was way off.
No. Just wait until you hit the first car with it.
Well, let me see it. See, now if you look at it even...
I mean, you're talking about 1/8 of an inch here.
Yeah, but I'm looking above the headlights. Like, come down in the middle, go right here.
Oh, you're saying that reveal?
Yeah.
I was looking at the bumper to the bottom of the stainless.
And how's that look?
There, if you look there, it looks like it's in line with the bottom of the stainless. If anything, this one actually probably lines up better, and that one should probably go down. Because this one's higher than the light on the side. But it's years of...
Yeah, I think we're good here. Right?
Just hit it on the Civic. It'll straighten itself right out.
Okay. So you think with the grill out is the way this should have went in?
I think that's the easiest way to get to it, because if you remove this piece of the grill, you can put your hand right in here, put a 6-inch extension on it, and now you're tightening within the space between the condenser and the bumper. That's how I'd have done it.
Right.
And I doubt the factory would have ever fought with something that difficult.
No, definitely not, but they wouldn't have the hitch there either.
Agreed. But I mean, you have so much room, this grill will definitely come out and come up.
Right.
And come out of the way. So I don't think that that's an issue.
No, I don't think they would have designed this that you couldn't get the grill out without taking that off.
Yeah.
It's just too much work out, you know, if it was a military truck out in the field.
And our controversial monkey is now safe.
So, looks pretty good. As Mark noted, the monkey is behind bars now. And the next video, we're gonna get these, the CUCV style tow hooks installed. And we're moving along, finally getting some of the stuff that was behind the garage refinished and bolted up to this. Robbie will be happy. He can't drive it because he's in Virginia. I'm driving it every day, so I'll be happy. As always, thanks for watching.